guys, welcome back to my channel. So to all my younger audience who's watching me, this video is specially for you. Things that I wish I knew earlier, like if I had a big sister or if I had someone who had guided me this way, I would have been so informative back then. But I'm here today to tell you guys all that I know about feminine hygiene and everything which you need to follow to boost your confidence and also to improve your personality overall. So these are few tips and hacks that had helped me so much in the 12 years that I have learned. So I really hope this helps you as well. So these are not makeup or skincare advices that I'm going to be giving you. So these are solid things which will overall improve your personality as well as your hygiene habits in general. So if you're watching me here for the first time, hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without any more further blabbering, let's begin the video. Now the first thing that we are going to be talking about is nails, and this is something you notice about another person subconsciously. So your manicure plays a very important role. I don't mean manicure is all about having gel nails and polishes and all that. Even if you don't have polish, you have to trim your nails properly, and there shouldn't be any dirt collected on it, and it should proper and neat rather than broken and uneven nails. This highly boosts your confidence. Trust me, you subconsciously notice these things on another person. So that is one very important thing. So it's okay if you have a proper polished nail or if you don't have nail polish. So this half chipped nail polish is definitely something you should be avoiding to have a better confidence, and trust me, this is definitely going to boost your confidence to another level. And I'm definitely not telling you that you should have nail polish on. So nowadays I understand why people get gel nails done, because having nail polish and removing it off every 1 or 2 days is such a big task, right? So gel polish, you get it and it's there on your nails every time, and it's also looking very presentable. So I kind of get the idea why that is most trending right now. So yes, either have nail polish properly or don't have it at all. Now the second fact that I want to share you is, when you have a conversation with another person, there are a lot of chance that people might not see you in the eyes while speaking. They will subconsciously start looking at your lips, because that way when you talk to them they understand better. So this is basic thing which you notice on another person. So hygiene on your lips is so important. Don't have flaky skin or peeled skin on your lips. Scrub your lips properly, have a good lip balm, and keep your lips nice and hydrated, because subconsciously people notice this from another person whom they are interacting. So that is definitely something that's going to boost your confidence, boost your way you feel about yourself. So please do have that in mind as well. And another important thing which I have seen people do a lot is they over apply lip balm. So I know lip balm is very important to keep your lips hydrated, but over applying it, and when that lip balm kind of comes out of their lips line, it looks kind of weird. So don't try doing it. So use just the required quantity of lip balm on your lips. Over applying your lip balm when you sleep is okay, but so generally don't try to over apply lip balm when you are outside or when you have to interact with a lot of people. Now to get a lip scrub done, you don't have to buy this expensive lip scrubs that is available in the market. Just take a wet towel, just wet it a little bit and then gently rub all over your lips. That way the skin and everything comes off beautifully and your lip stays all nice and smooth. So try doing this every morning after you brush your teeth and wash your face, so that way you are ready for the day. Number 3, this is another big insecurity of mine when growing up. Bad breath. So this is something you can't control most of the time, right? So the best way to control is staying hydrated and eating small meals in between, so that your mouth doesn't get dry and you don't have a bad breath. So that is something which I have noticed that works, but that's not always possible to be following in a long day, right? So always carry breath mints. So that will help you mask your breath overall and not making you feel conscious when you are talking to someone. So that is very important to carry it in your purse. Now there are chewing gums and breath mints. I prefer breath mints over chewing gums, because not always chewing something in your mouth is something great, right? I personally don't prefer it. If you do, then please go ahead, but I'm comfortable with breath mints. So you also have like sugar-free breath mints and stuff, so you don't have to worry about calories. So get one of them and keep it in your purse always. Also, for better oral hygiene, always use a tongue cleaner every time you brush your teeth, and brush your teeth twice a day, morning and in the night. And for toothbrush, I prefer if you use a small head automatic electrical toothbrush is working way better, because the head of the toothbrush is small and it also rotates. That way it's easier for you to get it till the end of your mouth and your jawline, where your normal toothbrush cannot reach. So yeah, that is personally something I feel that worked for me. And this is something which my dentist had told me: if you have the habit of flossing your teeth often, it's overall good for your dental hygiene, as well as you can mask your breath smell so much, because most of the dirt is there in between your teeth, and if you start flossing them, those comes out and there is no bacteria that produces the smell on your mouth. So yeah, do try that as well. We can talk in another video about oral hygiene in general, and also hydrate as much as possible. Staying hydrated is definitely going to help you in your overall gut health and your overall body. Now the next thing is body odor. Like, how many of you has been brought up in a family where they say like perfumes are a big no, deos are a big no, no, you shouldn't use an antiperspirant. But then how do you talk about body odor? Nobody had taught me how to mask body odor. So this is something which I have learned over the years. Using an antiperspirant over a deodorant is so much better for your body. Like, antiperspirants have substances that kill bacteria, so that doesn't cause the odor. So I prefer using a roll-on anti-deodorant over a spray deodorant, because the spray deodorant has like a white substance coming from it that might stain your clothes as well. But I prefer using the Nivea antiperspirant roll-on, and also the Dove one. The Dove one is actually a cream-based one. The Nivea and the Dove both works really well, and the perspirant doesn't make you smell good or anything, okay, but it makes you not smell bad for some time. So the first thing what you have to do after taking a shower is apply the deodorant and then wait for it to dry and then wear your clothes. So that way it will work better, rather than you having to apply that just before going out. That way I don't think it works. You have to apply it immediately after you take a shower. That way it works throughout the day and you don't have that odor in your body. Another important thing is having a perfume. So perfume is giving you that good smell, right? So you don't have to use it on your underarm or any parts of the body. There are certain pulse points, like in the sides of your neck, your wrist points and all that, for you to smell better. But please don't use that under your arm. That might create sensitivity there, so don't use that on your underarms, but instead you can use it on your neck and all the different pulse points. So there are pulse points in your body which makes you smell so much fresher when you apply the perfume, and it will stay a lot longer. And perfumes are only meant to be used in those areas and not under your arm. Another very important thing which you guys should know is dark underarm is very normal. Please don't be insecure about that. We are brown girls, and having a dark underarm is very, very common. Let's not try to bleach it or make it lighter. It is dark and that is how it will be. So let's make it normal. So the last topic that we are going to discuss is feminine hygiene. So for that, I would really like it if you guys follow these steps. The first thing that I would like to say is, please change your underwear at least twice a day. So personally, whenever I go out, immediately after I come home, I try to clean myself and then change my underwear immediately. That way I don't have the sweat and everything staying on my body. And the next thing is, use cotton underwears. I know it's not always possible to use only cotton underwears, because we tend to wear different types of clothes where we need like seamless underwears for the different types of dress that we are going to be wearing. But it's okay. If you are using something outside, immediately when you come home, change into a cotton underwear which is not very tight on your body. So that way your sweat is not going to be staying on your body and creating other infections and pigmentation on your skin and all that. So the next thing which I would like to advise you is, use panty liners. Like, this is something which I recently learned. Panty liners are such a savior for you. So we normally get white discharges, right? So using a panty liner will help you, collect all that, and so that you can just remove and throw it and change into a new fresh one, rather than you staying on, a discharge the entire day. So panty liners are also really comfortable to wear. They don't even feel like, you're using something. And try it once, and then you'll definitely understand what I'm talking about. Also, choose clothes that are not very tight on your body. It should be a little bit loose, and the material should be breathable. So even if you sweat, there should be some airflow on your body so that the sweat kinds of dries up. So if you're going to stay wet in all those sweat and everything, that is going to be giving you yeast infections and all the other pigmentation on your body, and you don't want that. So try these. You will definitely feel a lot better. It's overall important for your hygiene. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Please do share it with someone who needs to hear all this as well. And do let me know in the comments below if you have tried some of the tips and if it has worked for you. You can also share your hygiene tips that are working great for you in the comments below, so that we all can read and learn out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very, very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.